Finary Net Worth app pricing explained what you get for your money. Finary is a platform that helps users track their net worth and investment performance across multiple accounts. Many assume comprehensive net worth trackers are expensive, but Finary offers free and paid plans to suit different needs. The free plan allows users to track assets and liabilities manually, while the premium plan, costing per month, provides automated account aggregation, detailed performance analytics, and advanced reporting. For example, Finary can pull data from multiple banks' brokerage accounts and crypto wallets, showing a unified view of your net worth and investment growth. The platform also offers goal tracking, alerts for account activity, and collaboration tools for joint portfolios or family planning. Users can visualize asset allocation, monitor returns, and receive insights on how to optimize wealth growth. The surprising truth is that for just per month, you can get a full picture of your finances, automate data collection, and gain insights that are usually reserved for high-end financial software. Most people underestimate the value of having all financial information in one place. In conclusion, Finary Net Worth app pricing is affordable, transparent, and designed for users who want to track and optimize their wealth effectively. Understanding plan features and pricing ensures you can make the most of the app and take control of your financial picture.